Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your InstaCart shopping digital card to your wallet, and you can do it with your phone very easily. And I'm listed each and every step so you can just go through it and it's going to be very easy. So first of all, you have to just open your Apple phone and make sure it's updated and it's the latest version, of course. So here you have to open your InstaCart mobile application. You have to install the Instacart mobile application in your phone. It will look similar like this, as you can see here on the screen. In the bottom right side corner, you will see your profile icon, as you can see here, right? So you have to click on your profile icon, and after that you will be redirected here. So this is called account. In the account, in the third option, you will see an option Instacart payment card, right? So you have to click on this Instacart payment card, and once you're here, it will show you something like this. So what you have to do, you have to select digital card, right? You don't have to click somewhere anywhere. You have to click on digital card. As you can see here, add card to Apple Wallet. You will get a red mark. It will be written there. And once you click over there, it will ask you to check out with Apple Pay, and here you will get an option in the bottom, add to Apple Wallet. So you have to click on add to Apple Wallet. Now what they will do, they will ask you to enter a code something. So here, to do that, you have to verify with your identity. So you can use your current email address, as well as you can also do it with your current phone number. And once you have added, it will ask you to verify your identity. So you will get a receive a code over your phone number in the messages or in your email address. You have to enter that code, and here, this is the last process. It will call add card to Apple Pay. So it will show all the information here. Your card will be available in the wallet, and then you can just access your wallet, and then it's done. So this is how you can add your Instacart shopping digital card to Apple Wallet. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.